Hello everyone, welcome back. Now in today's video I am going to start making the shutters for this window. Several reasons, several benefits will prolong the life of this window. So I'm going to get cleared away, get set up and get started. Time to measure up. We have our measurements. Let's find the timber. So I know by my measurements it's 1400 wide, so each leaf, there's going to be two, will be 700. Now I've got to work out the width of the planks that I've got. If it don't fall, just so I can just trim a little bit off of one of the planks, then I'll have to cut all of them so they look kind of the same widths, equalled out each side. But we need to have a measure up first, and they're over here. It was what I was using in the cottage for the wall, so I just thought I'd make good of what I've got left over. All the length will be the same. Yeah, this could work out just fine. As long as that rain stops, we'll be in business. Now it looks like this needs a little bit of TLC. Just get a little bit rusty when they're in storage. The same the other saw I normally use has stopped working. I think the trigger's broke. Now what you need to do with something like this is not oil it up while you use it, but oil it after you finish with it. Okay, let's check whether it fits in the opening. I think what I'm going to do is just take a few more mil off of this one. We need a bit of tolerance all the way around. We want it to be a nice snug fit. So a little bit more off there, and I'll have me mark for all of them then. Four down, four to go. I'm having to grade the pieces as I go. There's quite a bit of damage in some of them. So I'm just trying to cut out all the damage at the moment, but we've got enough, so it's just a case of going through it and cutting it just right. Oh, here comes the rain. So we've got one leaf laid out 4 wide, just to make sure it's perfectly square, corner to corner, opposite corner to corner. They should be exactly the same measurement, which they are. Yep, brilliant. Okay, now let's get them temporarily screwed into place with the cross bracings and the diagonal. Then we'll do some more measurements. Now some of these have got a bit of a waney edge on them. That's not too great. But I've got limited amount of stock to use, so I may have to get creative with these pieces. Once they're all screwed together, I might have to put a chamfer on the edge, because a few of the pieces that I've got left to work with have got this edge on there. I have to kind of make do with what I've got. So sometimes you've got to be creative, and that's what I'm going to be. So we'll leave this square, and then this bit will be chamfered. So this will be a nice square cut into this one. It'll just be the edge, the internal edges. All will become apparent. And if you notice the cut, once we put our brace there, that'll hold nice and level. Now that we've got it laid out, I'm going to put some tacks in there, and then what we'll do, we'll just lose this edge here. We can do that with a router, just to try and emulate what we've naturally got here. I will clean this edge up as well. Spoilt for choice. Just putting a screw in the outer planks just to hold it all together, whilst I do some routering even. Let's offer this leaf into the opening. And what I'll do, when I'm ready to scribe them in, is put some packers underneath to allow for the wood to expand when it's wet and painted. Lift it up and then go inside, and then just score on the inside with the pencil, allowing for expansion and a gap as well, and that way they're nice and tightly cut in. So whilst the camera was charging up, the battery went flat. I've got all these cut, and we've got an off cut there, but that doesn't matter because it'll be sanded and painted. Going to screw it all together, same as we did the last one, unscrew it all, paint it both sides. Very important because it's untreated pine, and we need this to last. After all, it is to keep the weather off the window. It's coming along. Well, that is it for this video. Don't forget, like, subscribe, leave us a comment. See you in the next one. Bye for now.